for final approach. Looking good on the starboard side. Steady now.
Ensure the cabin plating shows no signs of flaking here. Confirmed. Stamping the checklist now.
Clear on the left, turning down.
Clear on the right, speed is steady.
All right, set it down right there. Copy that, lowering the load.
The process begins at the materials receiving area, moves through the machining section, and concludes in the assembly hall. The coordinated manufacturing here is truly impressive. Now, if you'll follow me, we'll look at the electronics assembly area in the adjacent section. Mission complete. Bay secure. Acknowledged.
Tower, Sentry 6-1, swim clear to taxi.
Engine 1 light off.
Confirming specifications for R12 looks correct.
We are clear for final approach. Looking good on the starboard side. Steady now.
Welcome to the future of manufacturing. Let's take a look inside. We are here at the main entrance. We will proceed directly to the assembly section, which I've highlighted here.
Ensure the cadmium plating shows no signs of flaking here. Confirmed. Stamping the checklist now.
Make sure those aluminum sheets are secured.
Copy that. Moving the titanium next.
Left wing tip is clear by 10. Proceed slowly.
Copy. Maintaining speed.
Right side clear.
Please sign off on Section 3, confirming the weight and balance data.
We've reviewed the maintenance logs. They are all in order.
Lot number 724 Alpha.
Matches the manifest. Go ahead and scan it.
Ground control, nose ready.
Wings clear, steady as she goes.
Tail clear. Proceed with caution.
Clear on the left, turning now.
Clear on the right. Speed is steady.
AI generated visual. The visual animation and graphic in this video are completely synthetic. They are created using advanced AI tools including E-3, Meta AI and Grok. They are for illustrative purpose only and don't depict real life camera footage, actual location or real event. 100% original
Cleared for
content.
takeoff.
The script
Clear
and
for
idea are
takeoff.
researched from publicity available information and completely rewritten using AI to guarantee originally. We strictly respect UK policies and don't copy, create or reuse content from any other creator. Educational purpose. Edited professionally in CapCut, this video is produced exclusively for educational and informational purpose, aiming to provide unique and informative value